Welcome back to Autoscope. A 2026 McLaren Motorhome's exterior. Modular and aerodynamic design. The 2026 Motorhome will still have a modular design to enable quick construction and disassembly at the racetrack. Integrated LED lighting. In addition to offering illumination, the design will use advanced LED lighting to highlight particular components and establish a mood. Lightweight but robust structure. Lightweight yet incredibly rigid composite materials will be employed to minimize weight, make transportation easier, and maximize energy efficiency. Layout and interior design. Premium guest lounge, a comfortable space featuring soft couches, coffee tables, and a large TV that shows live commentary or racing coverage. Fully equipped kitchen, a commercial kitchen staffed by talented chefs capable of preparing delectable meals for the team and guests. Maximum comfort and privacy. This is the most important and private area for the racers. Cozy beds, a dressing room, and a private bathroom will be provided. Distinctive technologies and features, advanced connectivity, with lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 networks and backup satellite connections. You can communicate with ease no matter where you are. Examples of smart environmental management. Systems include automated climate control, heating and cooling, smart lighting that may be adjusted, and sophisticated air filtration systems for optimal air quality. Energy efficiency, when weight and design permit. Rooftop integrated solar panels, the use of energy-efficient equipment, and sophisticated battery energy storage systems will all be commonplace. Advanced security systems, biometric access control, surveillance cameras, and alarm systems to protect confidential team data and tools. Integrated audio-visual, excellent sound systems strategically placed throughout the RV, large screen TVs, and perhaps interactive transparent panels for information display. Ergonomic equipment, to increase comfort, tables and chairs with ergonomic designs.